What's going on, guys? So I haven't been making too many videos lately, but I've started to make more. So check out the rest of my channel. But today I'm going to be doing a review on the Organic Smart Cart battery. It says it's a premium vape battery. The battery capacity is 380 mAh. 0.5 milliliter oil tank capacity / 1.0. Alright, whatever that means. Yeah, let's check this out. Alright, so I'll probably end up destroying the packaging trying to get this out of the box. There we go. Cool. Alright, so got the battery right here. It's a cool lime green color. Comes with a little white charging cord right here. Alright, so let's see what's up with this pen. It says Organic Smart Cart right there. It's got a micro USB charging port right here. So it's got a little green light that comes on. Alright, so it's got different heat settings. You press it 3 times and it changes. It goes green, blue, red. So, alright. So it kind of looks like this centerpiece out of the box is kind of off-centered. So that worries me a little bit. I am going to put a smart cart in this bad boy real quick. It's only right that I test it out with a smart. Alright, cool. So that's nice. It lines up kind of so it's centered, kind of OCD like that. Let's see how it's hitting. First hit with the smart cart battery. Let's see. Okay, alright. It's not bad. Yeah, I honestly just like the way this pen looks, but it did give a solid hit. I'm gonna see it again real quick. Alright, not bad. Yeah, this thing, it looks like a pretty solid pen. I would recommend it. I mean, it was only $9.99 on eBay, so if y'all are looking for a little backup pen or something new to try, I'd grab this one. It looks pretty cool. That's about it. Thanks for checking out my video. If you could thumbs up and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. I got a bunch of other videos doing different reviews on different vape batteries, cartridges, pens, different tech stuff. So yeah, check out the rest of my channel. I appreciate it. Have a good one. Peace.